This one is the power bank for the hoverboard. Hoverboard wheels. So I disconnect to check. So what is the problem? What happening? This battery is not getting charged. I think some batteries will switch on the power. Check here, showing 41%, having about 10 cables B1 to B10. Two cell is parallel and multiple cell in series. Either in the BMS or in the sum of batteries will not charge, other will continue charging. The set which is already fully charged, it will discharge through this BMS. Second, okay, this I mark here. Okay, I will choose first the first pin are damaged. So I go to next one. I will